Hey you, it's me Marisha and I'm back with a brand new video. I am so excited to be back. I'm so excited to do this video. Guys, I'm excited. I missed this. Here I am doing a get ready with me, as you guys can tell by the title. I'm going to church, so this is what I did this morning as I got ready. So my face is already clean. I just use this toner every time before I do my makeup. And then I'm going in with the Infallible Proof L'Oreal's foundation. I believe this is the color or number 510. And I'm just spraying that in all over my face using this flat buffing brush. And I kind of like press it in, sweep. That's how I blend out my makeup. So with pretty much any brush you'll see me use, especially when it comes to foundation and concealer, you'll see me like press and brush. Then I took this Morphe Foundation. Yes, I am using foundation to conceal my face. And this right here is really good. Like, I really like the outcome of it, and I richly enjoy this coverage that it gives. So that's part of why I'm using this as a concealer. Not only that, the color is phenomenal for what I'm looking for. The concealers that I have been using, it seems like it haven't been doing what it's supposed to do. So then it's like, you know what, let me try this out. And this has been working for me, you know. And again, I'm just pressing and spreading that concealer or foundation in the places that I want highlighted. So underneath my eyes, above my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, and my forehead. So I put out Old Faithful, my contour palette by It's My Ray Ray. I love this palette and I haven't used it in forever, and I pulled it out to contour my face for the day, and it didn't seem like it was doing anything this time. I don't know. So you will see me later on follow up with a different shade to contour my face. But yeah, I'm trying it out to see. I even switched brushes to see if it would come through, and it's coming through a little bit, but not as much as I wanted to. And I don't think that I'm really enjoying the color that it's given. So we just swapped it out for something else. I followed up with concealing my nose again, just to give it that nice petite bridge effect. And I use this Juvia's Place palette, or is it Palace? I use this palette to blush my face. So I use those two orangey and pink colors as my blush. And I really like the way it looks. It looks so good. And then I'm pulling out a Morphe palette, and I'm using those brown shades to kind of, you know, give my eyes a more natural shade, neutral shade kind of look. I didn't do anything dramatic. I haven't really been doing anything dramatic these days. So yeah, I haven't used this Morphe palette in a minute either. So it was fun pulling it out. So I'm just blending it out with that orangey brown shade. And then I'll follow up with a darker brown. And you guys will see me mainly focus on my bottom lid. And as you can see, I didn't really use a lot. But on my bottom lid and on the outer lid. And I just sweep it on there and just blend it out up into that orangey brown that I used the first go around. And then I take the eyeliner and I put it on my top waterline. And before I did my bottom waterline, I just went back in with that foundation to highlight under my eye even the more. I like a really good highlight under my eye. Not too dramatic, but you know, just enough. Just enough to give it that oomph, you know? So I blend it out, and then I follow up with that eyeliner on my waterline. Does anybody else's eyes water when you put on eyeliner? I hate that because I just hate it. So then I'm taking my loose setting powder, and I am just sweeping that in the places that I've highlighted and do want highlighted. Like, you guys didn't see me highlight underneath my cheekbones, but I'm gonna use setting powder to do that. And I don't let it sit. I just go ahead and just blend it out. And I realized that if I leave it on there too long, it's just harder to blend and too tedious to blend. So then I take my brows. I do not fill them in. I haven't been filling those in either. I grew my eyebrows back out this year, so my brows are naturally thick, and if I keep them uniformed, don't mind going without filling them in or anything. Sometimes I do, but it's very rare. And then I'm following up with this mascara. Y'all, I wanted to wear lashes, but it just didn't work out. So, and it would have been time consuming on top of that. So where my scarf was covering up my hair or my face, I just go in and contour it. I don't put foundation on or anything. Plus it'll conflict with my baby hairs that are out, those little swoopies that you guys see. So I just go in and contour that out. I did use a different shade. I think I used the brown in that Juvia's palette. I think it's the Warrior palette. So now you see me using this pencil, this lip pencil, to outline my lips with a brown shade. I'm gonna do a red lip today, which is exciting and fun. So I'm using this brown shade to outline my lips to kind of guide me with this lipstick that I'm getting ready to use, because the lipstick that I'm about to use, y'all, this Fenty Beauty red lipstick is no joke. It's not a game. Like, the way it comes out heavy, even when it seems like it's not coming out heavy. But it's such a beautiful color. Like, once you're finished with it, it looks so good. If you haven't tried this out, this red lipstick, I'd recommend it. Just be careful when you're applying it. Like, honestly, I made a mess. I messed up. Like, I got it outside my lips trying to cover my lips, and it was just a whole big mess. So you'll see me wiping the outside of my mouth with some makeup wipes, you know, just to figure it out and fix it up. And then, so once I get it all fixed, you'll see me go back in with my lip pencil, outlining my lips, so it can all blend and come together. Now, if you made it this far, you need to stop what you're doing and like this video if you haven't already. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Like, what are you doing? It doesn't cost you anything to do that. So after I set my spray, I go back in with another layer of mascara, and we are finished. Ladies, what do you guys think? I like it so much. And I decided to show you guys what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this really cute red blazer. I've had it for about 3 years and never wore it. And I call this my red carpet blazer because of the black, what's it called? The black flip flannel collar thing that it's got going, and this cute little skirt. And so yeah, this is my fit. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.